So the exercise here is to make these more low-lying and shrubby things, the hydrangeas. Are they limelight?
Maybe.
Whatever they are. Okay. You want to make them tall because they're next to these other things that are going to keep growing. So they'll crowd. So these will be underneath eventually once we foster the growth going up. So what you do then is you take off the branches that are going this way. Okay? Then you want to foster the growth to go this way and out. Okay? So what that means is this guy here that's going horizontal, you cut that all the way down to the beginning of the branch. And then same thing maybe with this. You would take this off right here. You would take this off maybe right here. Then it allows it to come like this.
Okay.
See what I'm saying? Like this.
Mm-hmm.
Then you would take off like this and it would go like this.
Okay.
So it would V out. But you want to get rid of these guys that are going that way.
Or down.
This way, yeah, and this way is fine because, you know, it's fine, but it might look lopsided. But basically what you're doing is you're manipulating the size by cutting off the branches that are going out and around. You want the ones that go up and then out.
Okay.
Yeah.